Thinking about entering Malaysia's booming beverage industry? Starting a water bottling plant in Malaysia could be one of the most refreshing business ideas, literally and financially. With growing demand for clean, safe, and convenient drinking water, Malaysia's bottled water market continues to expand rapidly. Here's how you can start your own water bottling venture the right way. Begin by registering your company with the Companies Commission of Malaysia (SSM). Opt for a private limited company to establish trust with suppliers, investors, and regulatory bodies. You'll need approval from the Ministry of Health and local authorities to ensure your bottled water meets Malaysia's Food Act 1983 and Food Regulations 1985 standards. Depending on your source, additional permits for groundwater or spring water extraction may apply. Select a clean, sustainable water source and invest in advanced filtration, purification, and bottling equipment. Consistent water quality is key to building a strong brand reputation. Design eco-friendly packaging, build your brand identity, and develop distribution channels, from supermarkets and convenience stores to e-commerce platforms and vending machines. At 3E Accounting Malaysia, we make starting your water bottling plant simple, from company setup to licensing, compliance, and strategic guidance.